Hello my friends, let's bring your focus back to graph. In this video tutorial, we will start writing our class for the graph. Then we will actually write code to add vertex into our graph. So let's begin. Firstly, we will build undirected graph. And for that we will make use of adjacency list will be one of its property. So let's go to the VS Code and there we will do some coding. Here, we will create our class template for graph creation. Inside that, we will have constructor and there we will declare property named as adjacency list. Adjacency list. That will be empty object in the beginning. With this, our template class is ready. Now we need to write our code to add vertex inside it. So firstly we will write our pseudo code, then we will begin with our actual code. Here we will write a function called addVertex which accepts a number of vertex as a parameter. Then it should add a key to the adjacency list with the name of the vertex and sets its value to an empty array. Once we are done with the pseudocode, it's time to write our code in Visual Studio. So let's go there. Here we will create our method named as addVertex. That will take vertex as its parameter. Inside that, firstly, as per our pseudocode, it should add a key to the adjacency list with the name of the vertex. For that, we will write this dot adjacency list. Inside that, we will write vertex is equal to empty array. So with this, our addVertex method is ready. But there may be a case that our vertex is already existing in our adjacency list. So to handle that case, we will write if it is not existing. So if this key is already not existing, then only add the things. So like this. Then I will move this line to the first line itself. With this, our addVertex method is fully ready. We just need to call this particular method. For that, I will firstly write let graph is equal to new graph just to instantiate our graph class. Then we will do graph dot addVertex. There we will pass our first parameter as A. Then we will pass B and C. B and C. So I will just change the value. And to see things on my console window, I will write console.log and there I will do graph dot adjacency list. With this, our things are perfectly ready. We just need to go to the browser and see the result. Here we are able to see we have three things A, B and C inside an object. And for all these things, our empty array is declared. So when we will add an edge, this will be filled. So in our next video tutorial, we will see how we can add edge to our vertices in the graph. Thank you very much for now. Stay tuned in my next video tutorial and please follow my complete playlist to have a complete understanding about data structure and algorithms.